Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install our side skirt extensions on a S15 Aero. Let's go. Okay, so before we get installing, let's talk about the splitter because there are different options. The splitter comes in a gloss black option, which is nice and shiny and pretty. Also comes in a textured option. This is really good for like track days because it's scratch resistant and very low maintenance. Accessories, you can option for winglets. These are sold separately and they bolt straight onto the side and also adjustable. Hardware, everything's stainless steel and powder coated in black, so nice and pretty. So with that out the way, let's get installing. First step is easy. So get underneath the car and you'll find a bunch of factory screws. Just going to take them all out with the 8mm and then I'll show you the next step. Now you need to line up the splitter. It is pretty easy. The back of the splitter lines up with this little ledge on the back of the side skirt. So all you got to do is hold it up, hard up against the back and get your friend to hold it. If you have no friends like me, then grab a clamp and pinch it in place. Now you need to align the ends. So all you got to do is just line up the side splitter flush against the side skirt. Now there are two side skirts. This is the Japanese side skirt, so we'll line up exactly flush. The Aussie one is a bit shorter, so our splitter will be like 5mm longer. Once you've done that, check both ends and clamp it down. So I have my 2 points aligned. So the back of the splitter is hard up against the back here, and I've got the two ends square, so I'm ready to drill. I'm gonna use a 8mm drill bit. That gives enough wiggle room if you need to make any micro adjustments. With the holes drilled, all that's left to do is just to pop in your nut, washer and bolt combo. I'm going to use a 4mm Allen bit and a 10mm spanner. Now we need to put the factory screws back in. One thing to mention, the last hole in the back of the splitter is a different size. You need to drill that into a 9mm so you can fit in a rubber nut. If you've optioned for the winglets, it's a good time to put them on now. All you got to do is line up the holes with the brass thread with the bolts provided. Just don't do it too tight because you can pull these out if you go too crazy. I've adjusted the winglets to where I'd like it, so all that's left to do is to tighten it. Again, don't over tighten this. And there you have it, side skirt extensions are on the car. Now, our side skirt extensions will fit both the JDM spec and also the Oz spec side skirts. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.